What's up guys, Michael here, and in this video we are going to be reviewing the VR box. So guys, this is the VR box virtual reality glasses. So I got this from Jumia at a very cheap price, at 4,000 naira. So that is about, it's less than $10 or $15 or so. It's very handy and I really love it, and it's quite good because I've used it to watch various films even on Netflix and iTunes. Guys, if you want to watch a video on your smartphone and you are wondering how you watch it on the VR, so there's an app on the Play Store for the Android users you can get. It's free. It's called the VR Player Pro. Yeah, here is it. So I just opened the app and let's see, we are going to watch a video I downloaded from Instagram because I don't have any movie on my phone. Let's see, let's watch lower dollar. So there is normal mode, there's virtual reality mode and the 360 mode. The virtual reality mode and the 360 mode are the same, so I prefer use the virtual reality mode. This is how it will display. So now I'm going to put it in the VR. So guys, I've set the VR in the from the VR holder. So I'm going to slot it in the VR box. Let me play the video, then lock my phone. Wow. Feeling good, but you need to put earbuds to hear what they're saying, because you put it to loudspeaker, you won't really enjoy it. Like I'm with the movies. Very, I love it when I'm watching it alone. It's good, but not good for a notch phone. This is where you want by, baby, me, I got it. Dirty, my name is Daniel. Daddy, oh my God. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you really liked it. Please hit the subscribe button below and watch out for my next video.